Hello, I'm Emilio Muñoz, and this is a video for the application to the Technology and Innovation Scholarship. And I will be telling you why I think I should deserve this scholarship. So addressing to the question, or pretty much instruction, it said that I should show a project, a personal project demonstrating my passion for technology and innovation. Well, I would first like to say that I'm currently studying a bachelor's degree in Mechatronic Engineering at Tecnológico de Monterrey. I'm in my 5th semester, and I've dedicated the past year and a half to the scientific research. And I would like to tell you about my project. So 2 years ago, I went to a competition in Monterrey where I developed a project of how I can make an internal combustion engine work through electromagnetism. This attending to the problem of contamination, CO2 contamination or pollution, and to the problematic that we're going to have in a few years, that it's going to be that we're not going to have any more oil to power the internal combustion engines. So this is a project, as I said, I presented in Monterrey 2 years ago, where I won the first national place from all the Tec de Monterrey campuses, representing my campus León, and we did pretty well there. And then I got the opportunity to present my project in a tournament, a scientific research tournament here in Mexico that's called Falling Walls 2020 version Mexico, where there was only 20 participants selected from all the applicants in Mexico. And I got to be one of the participants that got to be selected among tons of doctors in engineering. So I was pretty much the only bachelor student there, which made me really proud, I must say. I got really happy about it. And well, there it was a pretty exciting tournament. It was organized by the German Embassy, the Goethe Institute, and the Deutsche Akademisches Austauschdienst, which would be translated to the German Academic Services. So there I ended up winning the 3rd place, and I said, as the only bachelor student, I was pretty excited. And then I also got the opportunity, well, I actually got the invitation to participate in a scientific research competition in Germany, in Berlin. I got the invitation to apply out of all the applicants worldwide. This is international. This was no longer Mexico, this was international. I submitted my application with the same project I presented here in Mexico and Monterrey, which is the one that I have been developing, and I got accepted. So there were only 15 of us. The other participants were from Russia, from India, from Belarus, even from Madagascar. There was a girl from Brazil, and there were only 2 Mexicans. And actually, I was pretty happy because the other Mexican is an acquaintance of mine that I got to know in another scientific competition that we have had in Mexico. So I was pretty happy to see him there. And well, pretty much my project, as I said, is how to make an internal combustion engine work through electromagnetism. Pretty much the success of this project is about the materials that an engine has. Because you might ask yourself, how are you going to put magnets inside a metal engine? The electric field is going to get all mixed up and it's not going to work. But the body of the engine is made of aluminum, which has no electromagnetic properties. So the electromagnetic field by my magnetic plug, so to call it, is not going to get affected by the body. But the head of the piston, that is the one that goes up and down, rotating the crankshaft, making your car move, the head of that piston is made out of nickel and iron, which are highly electromagnetic. So the body is not going to affect the magnetic field, but the head of the piston is really going to get affected. And what I'm trying to do is change the spark plug, the ones that makes a spark for the gasoline to make a little explosion that makes the piston move. Change that for an electromagnetic plug that is going to create a magnetic field that is going to give some force to the head of the piston for it to go up and down, rotating the crankshaft, making your car move. And I would be solving 2 problems, the CO2 pollution problem and the waste of engines that we're going to have in the future. So because of my passion and an interest in technology and innovation, is that I think that I should get this scholarship, the Technology and Innovation Scholarship. Thanks a lot for the attention.